If your GMC Acadia push-button start isn't responding, don't call a tow truck just yet. The fix is often simpler than you think. Statistically, over 85% of push-button start failures are caused by a weak battery or a dead key fob signal. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to isolate exactly why your Acadia is staying silent. First, ensure you are pressing the brake pedal firmly and that the vehicle is completely in park before troubleshooting further. If the dash says no remote detected, try placing your key fob directly in the center console transmitter pocket to bypass a dead battery. A faulty brake light switch is a common GMC failure. If the car doesn't know you're braking, it won't let you start. You can handle battery and fob issues at home, but electrical programming or starter replacement usually requires a shop. As you can see, the most likely causes are the cheapest to fix, while a full starter replacement is the most expensive path. If the basics fail, use an OBD-I scanner to look for security or starter relay codes that might be blocking the signal. Keep a spare button battery and a portable jump pack in your Acadia to ensure you never get stranded by a power failure. Remember, if any part of the electronic handshake fails, the engine won't turn over. Always start with the simplest connection. Check those batteries first, and you'll likely be back on the road in minutes. Thanks for watching.